people, and welcome back to my channel today. Sheggz Olu of the Big Brother Naija Level Up season don't come out to call a girlfriend fans where they call the rebels. He come out to call the Raz after waiting soap between them, and also Wanni don't come out to complain about how sex starved she don't dey since this Big Brother Naija show starts. Contrary to wetin Zion and Chinwe talk. So Sheggz and Bella for some time now, we never really hear anything special about them. Even all the housemates, ex-housemates, all of them just they live their life, they go. Since we don't get new favorite, new people, new entertainment, fresh faces and all of that. But today it's like Sheggz come with Shakabula to come attack Bella fans, and Bella fans they don't give a better woto. So a particular person wey be say be Sheggz fan just come out to appreciate Sheggz and Bella and everything. Just they try to talk say they proud of them. Instead of Sheggz to just accept the appreciation tweet, he just go ahead to go the tweet. And another say Sheggz na person wey be say in they talk things the way the thing be, they sabi sugarcoat things. So the person wey be say cause all these bad bulls, the girl come and she come say, let me put it here, big Sheggz, ex Big Bella, my babies. You make so proud how you went more private. It gives the star power feel. Literally, the person just they appreciate the fact to see Bella and Sheggz remove their relationship from the public eye for some time now. That's why I'll never hear from them since. So Sheggz come back and say, laugh at lad. All my fans they support Bella. Her own fans hardly ever support me. Too funny, I beg. Come put hand emoji. That is in the emoji where we say the hate person. So and since he put out that tweet, people come they call him out, they call her name, he can continue because it's not about any drugs, it's about us telling the truth. We push their she all the time, and the best they can do is return is insult or cause problems. Very ras people, which means Bella fans say they call the rebels, they are very ras. Waiting Sean, the prefer say Sean from waiting Sheggz they talk. He showed us say waiting they try to explain be say anytime we be say in get endorsement deal or all of that, say na only fans now they push am. Bella fans not dey gree support am. Say but when he reach Bella turn, if fans go support Bella, Bella fans go support am. That's why she dey always progress for everything where be say she dey do. So this statement verse rebels where for Sheggz to come out to call them name like Raz, don't decide to table a matter. They open space, they drag them, they open comment section. If you go every comment section, now Sheggz now they drag for there. First person here we call out Sheggz for this tweet can say his friend Sean knew what he saw when he said Sheggz was in a subconscious competition with his babe for brands and engagement. She got all the international deals while he's struggling. Low-key Maldives and Van Cleef wobe indeed. Nioti ship pressing his neck. He show me by how wetin concern Nioti, Neo and Beauty ship with Bella and Sheggz ship na fans now what? Another one come say, I blame BBN fans for spoiling this housemate because why does Sheggz feel fans are obliged to support him? Laugh out loud. All these housemates do is take and take from their fans, some of whom are even struggling themselves. Kai, we say, now one thing I don't notice with BBN faves, they know they ever help anybody. Now very few of them I don't see say don't actually help their fans. So BC don't contribute money for them before. Fans they always contribute for this housemate. Contribute money, they go watch their videos, they go support their brand, BC they endorse, they go see dash them money for their birthday, buy them house, buy them gifts. But this housemate don't ever do back for fans. And when see most of these faves go see they expect more from them. Person come say people that we defend Mojua just for that the leadership to wax strong. Sheggz was a terrible person in and out. It was toxic as fuck with Bella, but shoopy people that lack romance and relationship in their lives couldn't see it. We all watch the way Sheggz they treat Bella for inside the house, the constant name calling, where to the extent say Buka gas to address the issue, maybe say Bella could even they support her boyfriend and all of that. When he come out from the house, the backlash was too much and the guests still supported him. Now they say the way Sheggz put out that tweet they right, but if you check and wait, the guy actually they talk fact. And the truth is say most of the fans when we say Sheggz get na shippers. Bella get her own fan base gone. But the fans when we say really Sheggz really get na shippers. If you see Sheggz come up for the house on time. He come up from the Big Brother house on time. Bella was a finalist. So if you compare the two of the fan base, that's why I feel to say in the feel cheated. Another person come say bad character can't be hidden no matter how we try to package it. Good luck, Bella. Another one say I hate Sheggz so much. Imagine hating your fellow human being. Hate not a strong word. Another one come say Sheggz, this tweet was not necessary, and I won't lie, some of her fans have been all over his comment section insulting him. I saw some on YouTube. You don't need loyalty from our fans. Do what you can do. Peace. Advice wey this person give Sheggz na the most genuine and kind advice wey I don't see anybody give the boy. He just need to stop to dey expect things from people so that you no go dey disappointed. I hope all these insults wey be say Bella fans insult Sheggz, he no go take am out on Bella. I'm not saying that it's going to hit her or something. I just dey say make e no go take am out on the girl. Unto Wanni matter, Wanni, as we all know, the girl no dey rest. She dey always give haters things to talk about. So today she dey have a conversation with Chizoba and OC, and according to her, she just dey ask a question, say how people take dey live without sex, because the last time she had sex was during their lockdown and it was weeks ago, and her body don dey shake. Una remember say when Zion and Chinwe come out of the house, they claim to say Wanni and Sean, they don't knack themselves for every nook and cranny of that Big Brother house. So it can't be as if maybe Wanni spirit don't dey tell her, say it's like people don't they complain for the too much knacking when me and Sheggz knack, Sean knack. She come dey come out, they put out a disclaimer. I don't know whether we call this one disclaimer. So as she talk that thing, and she's about to tell her say no man na. The other one come tell her say make she not look Chizoba. Say Chizoba normally nobody dey tidy Chizoba, so may no reason Chizoba matter. So Wanni come dey try to explain say this na the longest where she don't dey without sex, and the thing don't dey actually they do her somehow. So the fact say she come out to come bluntly talk to say don't even say she have sex and how people take they live without sex, that thing come bring drags for her again, because they say as a woman you need to be disciplined, you need to be this, you need to be that. The society expects a lot from a woman. From what we don't see for Wanni na the contrary of what the society wants from her. So the first person here we call Wanni out come say Wanni they use brain for una. Person where don't act tire defense mechanism. Come put laughing emoji. Another person come say indiscipline. Is this what you want people to watch? Another one come say so is Chinwe and Zion lying? The next person say we all know Wanni and Sean hasn't had sex. Was expecting to see it in the HOH space, but they get to sleep peacefully. I love blunt people. That's why I love Wanni. Nobody dey holy. We all love sex. Speak for yourself. There are a lot of people where be say no love sex. That's just the honest truth. A lot of people dey like that for this earth where be say they don't like am. Some it might be medical issues, some just their body not just work. Everybody get the one where be say they do one. Another person come say this girl now low show normal and mumu people still supporting them. Una better vote responsible couple double K. As much as I respect double K relationship, I just believe to say make una allow people make they do wetin they like. May they play their game the way they want play. You don't need to decamp another person fave just to lift your own fave up. The sky is big enough for all of us to shine. Another one can say so I deserve an award. Mentally I don't even remember it. This one mean to say she herself she never remember the last time she even had sex. The way the thing they go, I believe to say Wanni go continue to choke people, because the girl is as if she the purpose they do, and that's why I not even carry a matter for her. They get to every say she do, I go just look her pass, go move on, they go where they go. Now take care, una bye.